Practice set 37. How many ounces of a 20% alcohol solution must be added to 8 ounces of pure water to produce a solution which is 5% alcohol? This is a mixture problem involving a percentage, where we're going to use the formula, the original amount times the percentage is going to give us the pure amount, which in this case is alcohol. So to help organize this information, I have a table set up where I'm going to keep track of solution 1, the water, and the mixing of the two. I want to know what the original amount was. I need to know the percentage, and after multiplying those two will result in the pure amount. In the first part of this problem, it says how many ounces of a 20% solution. I don't know. I'm going to let that represent X. The 20% as a decimal equivalency is 0.20, are going to be added to 8 ounces of pure water. Well, if it's water, it has 0% alcohol in it to produce a solution that's 5%. So I'll put my 5% and the decimal equivalency of 0.05 under the percent for the mixture. And if I'm combining an unknown amount with the 8 ounces, that'll give us the amount for the mixture. Multiplying original amount by the percentage gives us the pure alcohol. And back to solution 1, x times 0.2 is 0.20x. 8 times 0 is 0. And 0.05 times the amount, x plus 8, we'll leave it as that and simplify it in a minute. To come up with an equation, we're interested in the amount of alcohol in solution 1 plus the amount of alcohol in solution 2, or the water, is equal to the alcohol amount in the mixture. Well, the alcohol in solution 1 is 0.20x. No alcohol in the water is equal to the amount that we found and represented in the table as 0.05 times the quantity x plus 8. Simplifying on the left-hand side, of course, adding a 0 to anything results in that value. On the right-hand side, we need to do a distributive property, so we end up with a 0.05x, and 0.05 times 8 is 0.4. We have a variable on both sides, so our next step is to subtract the smaller of the two to get the variable on one side, resulting in a 0.15x is equal to just the 0.4 because the x's cancel out. And the last thing is we're going to divide both sides by 0.15. Cancels out on the left, leaving a 1x or simply x, and the division results in a 2.6 repeating, or fraction equivalency would be 2 and 2/3, and that x represented the amount of that 20% solution. So the answer to our question is 2 and 2/3.